Well, you don't remember how to lay it down?
Yes, sir. I'm doing one at a time.
Okay.
Yes, if you have enough time.
Back up. It'll catch.
Okay.
Well, it's burning all the way through it.
Okay. I hear when you say you want to take proportions. Another one.
Precautions.
Caution.
Go ahead. There we go. Very good.
I'm going for first. Okay, that's light it.
All right. Last one.
And the final one. That's going to start in a little bit. Wait, I see where I have to put it.
There.
And that's the final one. Proportion.
Yeah.